Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have another case of women's shoes. We're going to see what kind they are and what styles they are. I'm going to open this up and let you see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Alrighty, so in this video, it's a bulk.com case, uninspected returns, women's shoes, various different styles. I paid $48 for it. The shipping was $30. Tax was $8.28 for a total of $86.28. 15 items in the box, $5.75 per item. And so let's see what kind of shoes. A lot of the shoes that I've opened up before have been in pallets. And so I'm curious if there's a different style of shoe in here. I've been selling my shoes like hotcakes on Poshmark. If you're interested in any of those, then go check it out. Also, if you're interested in exclusive behind-the-scenes content, please check out supporting me on my Patreon page. I offer some really exclusive things like when am I going to go live next? What's my next live video going to be about? All that you get to find out if you're a Patreon or patron. Here's the icon for patron. There's a link down in the description. And so if you want to be on the front edge of what I'm going to put out next as far as my videos, then let me know. Okay, so let's see what we got. These are a pair of women's combat style boots. Doesn't come with the original box, but as you can see, they've not been worn. These are super hot right now. Everybody is buying those, and I wore real combat boots, so I have no desire to wear that style of shoe. But they're really, really popular. My daughter even has a pair that are similar to those. And here's a pair of duck boots. These definitely, well, they've not been walked on, but they're very dusty and dirty. So probably just need a little TLC and clean up there. See if I can get all the tape off of it. Good gravy, they went a little crazy on tape. So this is uninspected returns. Here is some little children's shoes, pink camo. You never know what you're gonna get in a bulk box. So here's some Elmo slippers. Aw, cute. So there's always kind of the unique things. Here's some rain boots, which good grief we need today. It's thundering and lightning and all sorts of things, but these are some rubber boots, really cute. They're black with polka dots on them. If you're interested in any of these items, please shoot me a message at hookedonpickin.com. and we can do a deal. All right, here's some more rubber boots. These still have the tags on them. So it looks like they were originally $35. Oh my word, these are so adorable. I have to pull these out and just look at them. They're little like gold slippers. Little gold slippers for little tiny baby feet. Cat and Jack. So I believe that's a Target brand of children's shoes. Here's another pair of like women's loafers with a gold bar across. They look brand new, never been worn. Women's loafers. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, these are huge boots. Some riding boots that are knee-high or over the knee. Black, 8.5. They look like they're pretty wide calf. They're very, very tall. Let me pull one out here so you can kind of get a better idea because I'm sure it's all glared out. So these are brand new. That's what they look like there. So they're pretty nice. Nice grip on the bottom of them, 8.5s. Most of you ladies know if you buy boots, you usually buy about a size or half a size bigger than you normally wear because boots, for whatever reason, run a little small. All right, let's keep moving along. Here's some more kids' shoes. Some sparkly Cat and Jack size 11 kids' shoes. So if I can't sell these, I'm going to kind of do a second video just so you know, and I'm going to add up how much I'm going to be able to sell all these for. Oh my word, these are adorable. Look at these. These are so cute. My kids have ginormous feet now. They wear the same size as me or larger. And so that gives you an idea what's in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are super popular. I put these on Poshmark and they blew out like within seconds. And so these are really, really popular. These are a pair of size 6 ones. These little cutout booty boots is what they're kind of called. Ankle boots. Let's see what else we got. Got some snakeskin boots, ankle boots right here. And I do have the box for those in the case, but it's pretty beat up. This is the box. This is the condition of the box. And so they're new, but they're not new with box. So I'll definitely list them in that condition. Then I've got another one, set of universal thread boots. These are some leather, tall knee-high ones, 6.5. These are small sizes. Now, in the palettes, I got mostly like size 10s, 11s, some 9s, very few of the regular size, but these seem to be more traditional size, not traditional, but just smaller sizes. These are 6s, 6.5s. I think there's an 8. One more thing in here. Little ballet shoes for kids. These are legitimate, like, wear them for ballet class kind of shoes. So they're not just cute little slip-on booties, but they're actual, I think, the kind you actually wear for dance class for little kids. So, so that gives you an idea of what to expect when you're unboxing a bulk.com case, Uninspected Returns women's shoes. Check out my next video. I'm going to give you all the specs and numbers. And remember to look up my Patreon page. There's a link down below if you want exclusive behind-the-scenes content and a heads up whenever I'm putting something very interesting and special out. Hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.